help it. Like, sorry, I'm manlier than you.
Suck my dick. Me.
I can tell you like this.
These are literally just brain oil.
Sincerely, that. The quick inhale. Little baby.
Burp dog.
Alright, but let's be real.
This is annoying. I'm sorry.
Like, I thought it was cool. Like, I thought I really had a cool fucking talent. People trying to dim my sparkle. I can do that with queefing too. That's all. Wait, maybe one more.
What's up?
Would it intimidate you if your girlfriend burped louder than you? Would it? Or would you be grossed out? Like, is that gross? Let me know.
How was your day today? Like a motherfucking ride when you love me, you get it in a night.
He's a cat. He's a... Oh, he smells it. He said, "Get me down, you fucking ugly bitch."
Shut the fuck up, weird ass bitch.
I am so friendly if people are friendly and respectful to me. But if you aren't, then I'm a fucking cunt. Do you understand? So respect me and I will respect you. Thanks. Oh, and
Lady like my ass, bitch.
eat my ass. Eat my ass.
Thanks, guys.
Like very loudly. Like, would you ever expect that to come from my mouth? Like, no one's gonna be like, oh yeah, that bitch can burp. But I've never had anyone out burp me, that's the thing. Anyways, if I fall on my ass, I'm gonna be fucking pissed. I'll update you.